to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kiana. I typically make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos and the occasional vlog or two. Today, I am in my kitchen, which I am never in my kitchen because I can't cook to save my life. We are doing something a little, probably the dumbest thing that I will ever do. Also, I look like trash. I am on my holiday break, so I'm on break for 3 weeks before I go back to school. If you're new here, I am a second-year university student at OCAD-U, or the Ontario College of Art and Design University. My major is graphic design. Today, I am doing some of the stupidest things ever. Give me a second. I got these pants from Zara and they're really cute. They're the paper bag style pant. I don't know if you guys can see that. They have a stretchy waistband and then they're kind of like a more boyfriend fit. I got them recently. They're from Zara. The only problem is these are a 2, which normally I am a 4, but I decided to size down and they are still too big. I went on YouTube. I searched how to shrink pants. And that's what we're doing today. I found a video where you boil your pants and it'll shrink them. I don't know what kind of science is behind them, but the only way this would work if you're out of your mind like me and you would try this is if your pants are mostly cotton blend, which these ones are. I have a pot half full of water. I don't know why I'm explaining this to you because you're probably not gonna watch this video as a tutorial and follow this, because who in their right mind would do this? I don't know, me. I'm in no way, shape, or form taking credit for this video idea or whatever. I will have the video that I watched linked in the description down below, but I just have a large pot halfway full of water that I am bringing to a boil. This sounds so stupid. The way you do this, I have done this before with these exact pants and they did work. It's just they need to be shrunken. They need to be shrunk down just a tiny bit more. And I decided to film this because why not? It does take about 30 minutes. If you are gonna get these jeans, I will try to link them in the description box down below. I suggest to size down twice. For me, I'm typically a 4, but I wish I got a 0. But yeah, so right now I am just waiting for my water to boil. What you want to do is wait for it to boil, add your pants in. This sounds so stupid. And then just wait for 30 minutes. But I know I haven't been on this channel in a very long time, and it's because I never realized how difficult second-year university would be. So I have my very large cup of coffee right over here and we're just gonna have a chat. This mug I will have linked down below because it is my absolute favorite mug. It's from Indigo and it is so large. It's literally the size of my face, and my outfit is very casual because we're literally boiling jeans. Like, what outfit can you possibly wear? So my sweatshirt is from Zara. It's actually in a large, but I really love the color and I couldn't pass it up, so I got a large. And then my leggings are just from, I think, American Eagle, and then my necklace, it'll focus, is from Things Engraved, I think, and my best friend actually has the same one. That's where that's from. My hair is trash. I barely have makeup on because I really just didn't want to put makeup on because I'm on like a break and I just don't want to do anything. My skin has been totally a bust the last couple of weeks because I've been so stressed with school and everything, but I did treat myself to get my nails done, if it'll focus. They're like this really pretty periwinkle color. I don't know if it'll come off as periwinkle. It looks very light in comparison, and I never get my nails done when they're short, so it looks kind of weird. It's fine. They are growing out. What I wanted to talk about was just kind of where I've been, and this video is probably not interesting, and I just wanted to talk about my life and where I've been. My water is almost boiled. I love how I'm telling you guys this like someone in their right mind would actually follow this video as a tutorial. I'm filming this for pure entertainment. This process does take a very long time, I will have to say, but I think it's gonna be great because I know it does work because I've tried it before on these exact pair of pants. So it does work. It just is a lot of work, and the bright idea would have been to return them or exchange them for a different pair that actually fit me. But we didn't do that. So now we have a YouTube video out of it. Just cause, oh, my water's boiling. So I'm just gonna lower the heat by a little bit. Not that anyone fucking cares. And I'm just gonna use a pair of tongs to kind of compress it in there a bit. I'm gonna set a timer for 30 minutes. That's going, I'm just gonna cover it up. And then I guess we'll talk for 30 minutes because what do we really have to do? And I like to stand here because I'm afraid something will catch on fire. That's just the reason why we're gonna be talking for 30 minutes. I guess we'll start in the end of August. I used to work at Baskin-Robbins at Baskin-Robbins / Colonel's, and then I got a job at Starbucks. I only worked there for a week. Literally a week and like a day or something like that. And the reason why I quit was because I didn't realize that school would become so hectic so fast. My first day I would have a project due the next week. My first like shift alone after training was the day after, and it was a closing shift. So I quickly decided that I couldn't handle it, and I went through a lot in my brain and was weighing out a lot of options. I realized that I couldn't do it. I couldn't balance a job and I just couldn't handle it. So I quit. It was probably one of the smartest ideas that I did because school really started picking up. This semester, I was the most stressed that I have ever been in my entire life, and it's not an exaggeration. I know that a lot of people like to think that any of like the non-conventional majors, what I find is actually one of the harder things. On top of my projects that obviously require your sole attention, they're things that you want to put in your portfolio and things that you want to look nice so that you can get a good grade, of course. So on top of all of that, you have to study for exams, you have to do written assignments. So it's everything that you would expect as a university student and then some. I took a history of type class because it was mandatory, and that was the worst class I have ever taken in my entire life. I am a huge fan of history classes. I love them. I love art history classes. I don't know why. I think they're interesting, and they're typically an easy mark. That's like one of the only classes that I'm really worried about, especially for my mark. A lot of people, especially parents, forget that design and art is a lot harder than your conventional university courses. Not that like engineering and business school isn't hard. I think that art and design kind of gets overlooked because it's seen as if you have the talent, it should be so easy for you. And sometimes some projects they're a breeze and it's so easy. A lot of the times it requires a lot of critical thinking. I didn't realize that second year would be so much more difficult than first year, but I do want to do an exchange program next year in my second semester. I want to go to San Francisco. I definitely do not want to do freelance. I know that it is the easier option to do freelance, especially when you are a designer, because it's easy to just work for yourself and do whatever you want. I don't really want to do whatever I want. I kind of want to have a boss because I know that it's just better for me. Yeah, I want to definitely work for a company. I don't want to work for myself because I know myself and I would not get shit done. I'm trying my goddamn hardest to really keep my marks up. I really struggled this semester, if I'm being like completely honest and real. I am on holiday break for 3 weeks. I also have Monday, Thursday off next semester, which I'm so excited to have a break. But I do have 8:30 classes. However, I had classes this semester that were from like 11:50, and then I had another class from 3:10 to 6:10. I cannot do night classes is what I realized. I realized that I am not a night person. I'd rather do early morning classes than have to stay out at school late. Not that I got home late, it's just when I got home I was just so unmotivated to do anything. And what I often found was I was just kind of procrastinating, and then I would have to stay up and get no sleep. I hated that, so I switched up my courses. I don't know, I think seasonal depression just really hit kind of hard because it started getting really dark, and then I just kind of started getting just unmotivated, which is not good if you're a designer because you need all the motivation you can get. Oh, I have 6 minutes. Whoa, that scared me. I think I just kicked the oven again. Regarding my boiled pants situation, you do have to put these in the dryer at a high speed so that they are dry, and then you could try them on, which I will do off camera in 6 minutes. I did do all my Christmas shopping. Today, I don't think I ever said. Today is December 17th. And it's Tuesday, if anyone really cares. There are 8 days until Christmas. Christmas is literally my favorite time of the year. I don't know how this got from me talking about my stress from school and then me talking about the holidays, but we're here. Oh, I realized that I do a lot of peace signs. I don't know why. Christmas is by far my favorite time of the year. I like it more than my birthday. Everyone is just in a good mood. On Thursday, I'm going to the Christmas market, which I'll take you guys along with me, although I don't think that video will be up until after Christmas. Isn't it weird that I uploaded a fall video like yesterday? Yesterday when this is being filmed, so Monday. And then I guess January 2nd will be when I upload my Christmas market video. 3 seconds. It's like I'm counting down to like New Year's or something. Can we just talk about how 2020 is almost here? I was born in the year 2000, so next year I'll be 20, which is a little bit terrifying for me because I will no longer be a teenager. 2019, I know that everybody loves to hate on like the year being just totally shitty. 2019 was a good year for me. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's only because I could legally drink and maybe I wasn't totally sober for the rest of the year. I finished my first year of university. Summer 2019 reminded me a lot of summer 2016, except we all had jobs and we saw each other less. Let me dump this out actually because it's done boiling. Okay, so I just took the pants out of the dryer and this is what they look like. They didn't shrink that much from the legs. I kind of like my pants a little bit higher anyways because I am so short, so it makes me look taller, but they are more fitted and they don't nearly go up as high. I don't know if you guys can really see that. They used to go up so high because I had to compensate for how long they were, but now they are a good fit. So if you enjoy this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up and stick around by subscribing to my channel right down below. Also turn on the post notification bell. It'll just alert you every time I upload a new video, which is Thursdays at 12 p.m. Again, I do upload anything from fashion, lifestyle, and vlogs. This isn't the normal type of video that I upload, but I thought that it'd be a fun video to upload and just kind of watch me boil my jeans and just kind of talk to you guys about where I've been, just about my life, how stressed I've been. But I will see you guys in my next video, which will be after Christmas. So Merry Christmas to all of you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!